How you can set Google Chrome as your default browser on MacBook. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Just follow my steps.
I am again here.
Click on the Apple icon and go to System Setting. Now, go to Desktop and Dock option. After that, you will find Default Browser option. Now choose your favorite browser, which you want to set as your default browser. Now check, is Google Chrome is our default browser or not? Open Google Chrome and click on these three dots. Below you will find Settings. Click on it. Here you can see the default browser. It means Google Chrome has been selected as your default browser now.
For more content, visit Iamagainhere YouTube channel and also visit our website, Iamagainhere.com.